Charlie, this over the weekend, you guys were talking about Stonebwoy hitting 1 million views in 1 weekend. They were saying this and that. I don't know what you want to share with us on that, because
I think so,
I know you're also a digital person.
I think so people must understand that when we say our artists don't activate or don't push their music, these are some of the things that when they do, they expect us to also say that, oh, they have done well. They've activated their music. They've pushed their music.
Okay.
For instance, if a Nigerian artist gets, like, let's say, from the Peace Club, Mr. P, not Mr. P, the other one, what's his name? Rude Boy.
Yeah.
Rude Boy's song that had Shatabando
in it.
It got 1 million in a day, and it was news.
Audio money, eh?
Yeah, audio money. So how come Stonebwoy releases visuals for Blessings featuring Vic Mensa, and it also gets 1 million in a day, and Ghanaians are saying, so Wakoto numbers, saying, what's the difference? We are saying artists don't activate their music, they don't plug their music,
they don't do promotion,
push their music, they don't do promotion, and they don't even get 1 million in 1 day. Now somebody has done it, 1 million in 1 day, even less than a day. Commuting did one with Open Gate, 1 million in a week. Obian can want them. Then we are saying, on the date, and I'm not going to numbers, and I'm not going to. Yes, sir. You see, it's like people don't understand what digital marketing is.
Okay.
All the numbers that you see around the world in a day, it's all digital market. It's like billboard. It's like you mount a billboard and pull 1 million people to come and watch your billboard in a day. That's what it is. So if you are saying that they don't activate the music and they are activating the music now, and now they do, and it's a problem too, what do you want the artists to do? Ghana artists.
You guys are accusing them for not promoting their songs. Now they are promoting it.
Yeah, now you are.
They give you 1 million and you are still complaining.
I don't understand.
So I'm sure the argument is it is not organic. That is their argument.
No, what's organic and what is not organic? What's organic? What's organic?
So this is what I saw. Someone wrote that if they compare the reaction, as in comments under the video, to the views, it doesn't tell you. And I said, okay, wait, so what? If you go on to check how many views does the song have, what would you get? You get, at this one I checked, it's 1.6.
Yeah, 1.6 million.
Yeah, so what are they looking for again?
You see, what
do you need the organic views for?
There are very few. It's organic. Let me explain something. You see, it's organic because there are certain elements at the back end of every YouTube channel that you can do to pull in the numbers. You have to know where your audience are to reach them. And if you're able to point it properly behind your dashboard, you will reach your people. You understand? Maybe an Stonebwoy team no who say the number of people I'm sharing the videos no data wise no it's easy for those in America or Europe or whatever.
Okay.
So they pointed their billboard there. It's possible. They pointed it there. So if they pointed there,
like doing a niche marketing of a sort.
They'll get 1 million in a day. You understand what I'm trying to say? Unlike building the whole conversation in Ghana and saying that because Ghanaians think that Ghana for no more honey and share video ni bintin, anything I quite say obi and jin, you know. What must say? Like it's like, hey, na video na bada bank man tio say 1 million. Hey, no boy, okoto numbers now. Come on, we are always bashing artists for not plugging their music. You see, if you go to Lagos, Nigeria, for their plugging, they are doing this. They are getting 3 million, they are getting 4, they are getting 5 million. Our artists are now, they have also seen the way. They are also activating, they are also plugging. Now we are chastising them. I don't know what some Ghanaians want our artists to do right now. It's a bit frustrating.
I like that. Some Ghanaians.
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very not fair. Especially when people have worked over time
to make it happen.
You understand?
Then you guys are running unnecessary commentaries on them.
I'm on fire. Do my agents. By the grace of Almighty God, that thing happened
afar.
Ghana for see, hey, that be. I think it's unfair.
Okay, thank you so much, Nana Wiredu, for that education. Let me welcome my man Adam Mensah Chatome so that we can also run with it. Adam, hope you're good.
Oh, chairman.
How was your weekend though?
Oh, my weekend, now my weekend is full of a lot of excitement, Bayview Village, that's where.
What is the business at Bayview that you've not told us to be part of?
It's a serene place for your birthday parties, for all of the weekend relaxation, plans.
So last weekend, what happened there?
Last weekend, the poolside, a lot of people came in, including former Deputy Minister of Gender and Women and Social Protection and former MP for Gomwa Central.
So is that where
she was there for the birthday party of her children? It was amazing. And Goodies too was there yesterday with the family. It was wonderful, and political marketing consultant Dr. Kobe Mensah, Salon Branty of Imani, a lot of other big guys,
Charlie, next weekend I'll also be coming there.
Charlie, if you come
do
there.
some reservations for me. Do some reservations for me. Next weekend I also want to come there.
Yeah. Baby, yeah. So every weekend you come, you hear my voice there, and we make the party.
That's my up. Man, Edem Mensa Chotomi.
That's right. The party they go on for them.
Okay, Edem, thank you so much. So next weekend, please do some wild reservations for me. I'm coming there as well for the Bayview thing because Richmond. Charlie, long time no see you.
Yes.
Where have you been? Fella Makafu is keeping you so busy, man.
We came here and you granted us an opportunity as the first platform to launch our project, which is the Fella Show.
Charlie, but your studio is big. First of all, let me commend you guys. Your production is really on point. The production is like Sikakum.
Thank you.
Nah, Sikakum. No, production is Sikakum.
Is the sets and everything.
Okay, so it's not a production house.
It's a production house, but the set and everything
is good. Yes. You are talking about the set.
Yeah, the set. No, the set and the production, everything.
Yes. We the camera
because guys, it is not for TV yet.
Okay,
it's not on TV.
It's not on TV yet. But there are 2-3 agreements we have signed that very soon you are going to.
No, even the argument I want to make is that when it is for TV, they know some people put in some huge monies, but for online, they will just treat it as okay, just any content. But you guys are hitting it hard as if it is for TV. Yeah. So far, is it going?
So far, it's going very well. I can say we are even done shooting season 1. We are just left with about two episodes and we are done with the season 1. And Fela is extremely grateful to all of you here. I think you guys have been really supporting. I wanted to own a content.
No, I be man. Say promote it. Yeah, promote it.
When Jai brand Nessa will count. So many behind the scenes and
you for more dance.
No, ignore him. You know, Kofi Asamoah is like that. As he's here today, he'll be doing this. So just ignore him. One time, man, Kabak Mama weekend show the dada.
No, mammy,
there be Oba channel called meet me in your confidence in my show. I have to see your commitment.
No way. Brian be the emoji
to Richmond, but there is something you guys have to do to dig gold.
Okay.
Maybe you guys have not thought about it, but I'm telling you today. When is Fela interviewing Medical?
It's a very good question. And it's in season 2 to be
Fela, talk to your mic, please.
Season 2 is going to be very
like Medical has been in the news recently for so many reasons.
Yes.
Fela should sit Medical down and interview him. Like this is 1 million views in a day.
I know. I think that we'll take into consideration what you have said.
No, it's serious. Because now she is an interviewer.
Yes.
So she interviews everybody.
Yes.
The husband who is Medical is an artist. She should interview him. ASAP.
Yes, Amasa.
For the Rolex watches and
the range.
For the Rolex watches and everything. Fela Makafu should be asking the question. In fact, on the day, let me come and produce that show. I will be writing the questions for her.
But she will decide whether to read or not.
She will read. No, I'm going to be the producer. It's going to be strict.
But it's a very good
I'll speak to ahead through the phone. Ask this question. Okay, move on to this one. Okay, good. Move on. Follow up. Like I've been disturbing her ears to the end of the production. I don't know, but you guys should do this.
Yeah. If
like anytime medical is in the news, he should be interviewed by fella. I swear, this is a selling thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Anytime medical is in the news from the next moment, he's on set of Fela Makafu's show. Yes, to explain himself. I'm sure this is way Muya Mufa I commission me because I brought the idea. Here's Kanipa, and I think I was saying. Oh my goodness, we are good 38 minutes after 9 Monday morning, money making Monday, and surely today we'll be talking about all the good things in our industry and what you should know. On top of the agenda today, we will sure be looking at some of the matters arising out of the Akuapem Polo sentencing and the fact that some others have started some funds raising activities online. I want to know what my people are saying. I want to know what they have also been doing to support this. Kofi Asamoah, you have worked with Akuapem Polo before, I guess.
Oh yes, I have.
On how many movies?
On one movie.
That's Away Bus.
That's Away Bus.
Oh, okay.
Naka before Akuapem Polo nka Stonebwoys video ediena.
What's say?
Minyanka Stonebwoys video nka me so.
Opeso ka bi.
Makaka.
Oh, eno share that topic ba person ka mema 1 minute bi na.
Oh. Na asa eyeme yakakra.
See.
Say krum ha ayana ye PBB and they may be can translating to Akuapem Polo dia ya. Ayana ye pre ina ya music Ghana music industry is not moving forward. Ghana music, look at the Nigerians, look at the numbers they are controlling. Now we are fortunate to have an artist that way to me I hit it 1 million views in 24 hours. We should be celebrating it. I was saying you need Jenny say, hey, you push your more ama say there. This is where they've got into. Now Nipaninya now we are negating the effort. Say the views are wato. Now
they are not.
So you I don't know that I am toy. You tompoa. Tio, you Nigeria for now umunya 4 million, 5 million. Ya monko kasa ya omoto. Or amode tournament count. A reserve of Ghanaians. And it's not only music. Quite movie industry. Papa Bayan Kada. And we always Ghanaians are not doing this. The Nigerians are now there's a Ghana channel on DSTV. Everybody's quiet. The content there is nice. Zylofon Media is doing the day, an entire production funded by this is mileage. This is something that had never been there, but will be uncount. But them be being you are quick to always compare. And Stonebwoys idea we should be selling banana energy at the tanity.
Well, few people are also celebrating the achievement, though. We cannot say everyone has ignored it. Few people are also celebrating the achievement, but there are also others who have decided, okay, this is what we will do.
But BBC no crown. Why must it even be have diluted
celebration?
Why must have diluted support?
Me, I have a feeling that fan-based thing is playing the role. That SM and Beam, it's like some people feel the Beams are robbing over them with this, and they want to dilute that thing.
The artist in question is no mean artist. This is Stonebwoys, one dad.
Stonebwoys is huge.
What are you talking about? This is Stonebwoys. I will say he can't get that. What are you saying? This is Stonebwoys, and yet you. You can't say
a movie.
Oh, let me tell you.
A movie. Oh, you said you're betting me.
And yet, some flies town or two. Let me tell you.
Go call Michael Jackson.
Where names in their doors, but
I know.
You know the names I'm talking about. I know. This is Stonebwoys. One God. Now when you one. Hey, that's to even have like a group of people thinking and creating a campaign against such mileage. Senior this time so Nigeria for hit BBC. But it's come how on here. That's what I mean. You want it sometimes a Genevieve movie Netflix at ton however $1 million Ghanaians were using it to try and pour. Lionheart, movie winner. So I decided to go and look at reviews on the movie in Nigeria. And the Nigerians were bashing they are kind of saying, the figures are not true. Their figures are this, and the film is like the negative. And I'm like, but Ghana, the way Ghana for JDD tra. Siniform per se Ghana. Sometimes I did some deal for Tracy Boache. People were writing, it's not true.
I remember
the figure. I'm sitting. I'm like, are we okay?
Yeah,
yes, and I'm like, are we okay? And you know that story, the distributor got hold of the story some way somehow. Takes I don't know how, but Obi said that day I didn't send in.
Oh, Charlie.
So I'm out. I'm telling you, Chrome how Brasami, ye
PhD for
but we are always you can pull out somebody.
Yeah, Baba can sound common. Train. So how now run with the train. Say after announcement nobody share that and the hunkomo. But this is what Ekuapin Polo has said. I want you guys to listen to this briefly, and we will start the discussion. So, guys, welcome. Today's edition of Showbiz Agenda is being run with all the great people I have here in the studio. Kofi Asamoah, he is the boss of Kofas Media, movie maker. And then Mesa Chatterman is a journalist. Nana Wiredu, One Play Africa. Richmond Amofasapon is a marketing executive, CEO of Ghana Tertiary Awards. And our future lawyer, he's also here. He manages Fela Makafui and all her activities. Shout outs to my producers, Antonio Safo Sapon Facebook, Jata DJ Sticker, Jerry, the comedian assistant. Producer is Martina in Tiamu and Chroma. To my technicians, Bawa Yusuf, DJ Q, Digital Media, James Kweku Dofachi, and Jesse Okasa. And Jesse Okasa, Dofachi, rather, I'll be giving you all the updates today on our digital platforms. Visuals and streaming team, Benjamin Ano Black, Kweku Abeku, DJ Paco Rich, and Emeka Okpara. Emeka, how was the weekend? I know you were going hard. I know, Charlie. Emeka birthday there, and then get to a more hard ones. To our creative director, his name is Winky World Boss, and I have just one name. My name is Sammy Flex. Join us on social media to be part of the show. Facebook, we are streaming live. You can drop your comments there. I will surely read them. And again on Twitter at Zylofon1021. You always have to tweet at us with the hashtag Showbiz Agenda, and I'll also be reading them. Let's do this like we have always been doing it. This is Showbiz Agenda, proudly sponsored by Bengai Imports. I also have option 1 beauty parlor, Flora disposable handkerchief, Green Select glucometer,